Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really cute soap tray craft to show all of you. So to start off, I am going in with some paint, and I am just painting around the edges of the tray. And next I am going to go in with just a little bit of clear sealer, just to make sure it's going to last since you will be placing soap on this in your bathroom. And for this project, you are able to find the tray at your local Dollar Tree. So next I am going to go in with some scrapbook paper. I'm going to cut it to the shape I want and paint it with this beautiful halo pink gold color. So when you're painting the scrapbook paper, mine is texturized, so I am just dabbing in with a little bit of the color. I want the shimmer underneath to show as well. I am going in with this beautiful color because it will match my bathroom, but for you, you can customize it to any color that you would like. Now after waiting for the scrapbook paper to dry, I am going in with some Mod Podge, and I'm going to put it on pretty thick into the middle of the tray. While I am putting a lot of Mod Podge onto this project, you are going to want to make sure that you do not have any streaks and that you keep your Mod Podge smooth. Now after painting both the inside of the tray and my scrapbook paper with Mod Podge, I am going to press it in there really good and then paint over that with even more Mod Podge. Now for me personally, since I did use a lot of Mod Podge, I made sure to let it dry overnight. However, it most likely doesn't take that long to dry. I just wanted to play it on the safe side. Okay, now here is the following day and it is completely dry, and I absolutely love how this soap holder came out. Here's what it looks like with a little piece of soap on it. And then I love this so much that I had to try it out with some gnome patterns because you know Gnome in Backyard loves their gnomes. So I'm excited to gift this to them for the holidays. So for this one, I am using a fabric to put on the soap dish, and I'm also using some glitter Mod Podge. And this one, I believe, came out so adorable as well. Thank you so much for continuing to support Our Decorative Nest. Don't forget to sprinkle this video and keep an eye out for all the rest of my crafting videos to come. Happy crafting!